In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines from your Microsoft Word document. Grid lines can be helpful for layout purposes, but sometimes they can clutter your view or detract from the clean look of your document, especially when you're preparing a document for printing or professional presentation. Now let's walk through the simple process of disabling grid lines in Word. First, open up the Microsoft Word file you'd like to edit. If you haven't already launched Microsoft Word, go ahead and do so now. Once the application is open, navigate to the document you need grid lines removed from. Open the document by selecting it from your recent files or using the Open function to browse through your files. Now that you have your Word document open and in front of you, you're ready for the next step. We'll want to direct our attention to the top of the window, to the ribbon where various tabs are located. Find and click on the View tab. This part of the interface contains all the options related to how you see your document on the screen. The View tab is your go-to for adjusting what elements of the document you want visible or hidden. Take a quick look under the View tab and focus on the Show group, which is where multiple display options are bunched together. One of these options is Grid Lines. If you're seeing lines across your document that resemble a grid, it's because this box is currently checked. In everyday use, grid lines assist in aligning text, objects, and other elements precisely. However, they aren't meant for professional or final copy output. You're now ready to remove these lines. Simply click on the checkbox next to grid lines to uncheck it. This straightforward action will immediately clear the grid lines from your view. It's incredibly satisfying to watch your document transform instantly to a cleaner, smooth layout right before your eyes. Remember, this action only affects how the document looks on your screen and doesn't delete or change any content in your file. And just like that, you're done. Your document is now free of grid lines and looks clean and uncluttered. There are no extra files to save or settings to adjust. Word automatically retains your preference for this viewing mode as long as the document is open. Should you wish to bring the grid lines back, simply revisit the steps and check the grid lines box again. Now with grid lines out of your way, you can focus on perfecting your document without unnecessary distractions. If there are other visual elements you'd like to adjust, the View tab hosts a variety of tools that might come in handy. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to apply this quick guide in your future projects and enjoy a streamlined Word experience.